Hello ka-gym bro, welcome to my vlog. So, we will be attempting to do 50 push-up. So, let's go to my journey. So, first, let's do our first posture. So, first this, then, so let's go now to push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's do a rest now. Let's do reps. So let's go rest for now. Let's do 1 minute break. Time's up. So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, I'm very sorry for my posture because my tricep is a little bit sore. Yeah, because I worked out yesterday. So I'm very sorry guys for my reps. Whew. Let's do just 30 seconds rest because 1 minute is a very long rest. I'm a little sweaty now. So much sweat. Wait lang, let's pause. The time rest. Time's up. Let's do that again. Shit. So let's do a perfect push-up, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm a little tired. So we just acquired we do the three sets, three set and 10 reps. So we have a 2 sets. So we can finish this vlog. We need a little rest because I'm very sweaty right now. I'm exhausted, bro. So I'm just gonna count the timer here. And then go. Here right now. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. I'm sorry guys. My arm a little bit sore now. 5, 6, 7, 8. My back and chest. 9, 10. Then I see here. I'm super. My sweat right now is. You think I'm in shower, guys? Look my sweat, bro. So let's count the rest so we can finish this vlog. Nice. So let's like and video and subscribe guys and ring the notif bell. Last set guys, last set. My arms and chest and back is a little bit sore right now. All my sweat is super many. So now 10 seconds, then we'll start now. Let's start to our final reps. Let's get ready. The postures guys, posture. Okay, go. 1 2 3 wait na muna. 3 my body is a little sore right now, so I'm very exhausted. 3 4 5 6 7 8 two more reps. We can do this. Like, so I can get the motivation. Like this video, so I can like this video. If we get 100 likes, we do the 100 push-up. Okay, 2 more. Okay, 9 10 yo guys, so the push-up is done now. As you can see, I'm very sweaty right now. You think I can speak properly because I'm very exhausted. So now guys, we're gonna end this right now. So like this video, if we get 100 likes, then we do 100 push-up. Okay, so like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to do me the 100 push-up. Okay, bye guys, see you next week.